Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, tires, front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.